Let's assemble a mini bulldozer. Ready. And now we need to fuel the mini bulldozer. We did it! Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. And now let's wash the mini bulldozer. Hooray! First, let's assemble a covered truck. Ready. Let's fuel the covered truck. Hooray! Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. Ready. We need to assemble a film laying machine. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the film laying machine. Hooray! Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. And now let's wash the film laying machine. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a tractor with carriage. You're doing really great. First, let's fuel the tractor with carriage. You're doing really great. Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. And now let's wash the tractor with carriage. Keep it up. First, let's assemble a transplanter. First, let's fuel the transplanter. Amazing! Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. And now let's wash the transplanter. That's all. First, let's assemble a strawberry trimmer. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. That's all. Let's trim the strawberry beds. We need to wash the strawberry trimmer. Amazing! We need to assemble a market truck. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the market truck. Amazing! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmers market. We did a great job! The berries we've grown are big and sweet.